This is the Titan Futures 1 point a day challenge. Earning your living executing trades from the comfort of your home seems a lot more cool than most 9 to 5 gigs. Trouble is, if you don't know what you're doing, you can wreck your portfolio. But with our trading instructors, BK, Soto, and Mitchell, you'll learn how to day trade the futures market. Streaming daily, 9 to 11 a.m. Free. This is a free trading education channel. The Titan Futures 1 point a day challenge, where everybody is welcome. Get in the chat, ask us questions, learn. And now your instructors. This is BK, Soto, and Mitchell.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Titan Futures 1 point a day challenge. It's Tuesday, January 28th, 2020. Hope everybody's doing well today. I appreciate you guys being here and checking us out. If you're here for the first time, you'll see here our legal disclaimers. Just remember, everything we do here is for educational purposes only, okay? So any trades that we might take here are not a trade recommendation in any way, shape, or form. We're not your financial advisor or anything like that. We're not a CTA or RIA or broker-dealer or any of that. So this is just all for educational purposes only. It's for fun, okay? So any trades that we decide to take here are not, again, not a recommendation for you to take those trades. So any trade that you take, win or lose, take full responsibility for that, okay? We'll get that out of the way there. All right, so again, if you're here for the first time, thanks for checking us out. It's like I said, it's the Titan Futures 1 point a day challenge, which simply means we just try to make 1 point a day, okay, on the ES market, okay, and then we let that compound over time with the contracts. We try to continue to make that 1 point, take high probability setup to make that 1 point, and eventually just to gain contracts. Okay, we started this about 85 days ago. And we started with $1,000, and we trade one contract for every $1,000, and we have a 1 point stop and a 1 point profit target, and we're proud to say we're up to 3 contracts, so that means we're definitely making some good trades and making some good decisions on our entries, and the method works, so that's always great to get confirmation for everybody to see that. So we'll update our trades at the end of the session in real time, showing the pictures of the trades, win or lose, whether we win or we lose, we show that picture, okay? So you can see that we're not just making that up. And then we'll update the spreadsheet in real time. There's 3 traders here, myself, Soto, and Mitchell. And we take the first trade between Soto and Mitchell because they're newer traders. So we use their first trade, okay? And win or lose, well, that's the one we go with. We'll continue to possibly trade throughout the day for a couple hours if we can. We'll look for a couple, 2 or 3 setups a day. Try to make those trades, or we track the first trade of the day for the spreadsheet. So if you have a small account, you make a trade, you win or you lose, and you walk away, or you go to demo. That's the plan for the 1 point a day challenge. Okay. But like I said, there's 3 traders here, and myself, Soto, and Mitchell, and I think Soto's just come online. Soto, you there?
Yeah, buddy, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Great.
Good. Good. Anything going on this morning so far? Any trades?
No. Just kind of got started here. So no trades thus far.
I've had 1 trade this morning. Made a couple points in the tick, which was good. So,
Good. Great.
yeah, traded out an hourly zone there, and it presented itself on the 5-minute as well. So I took a little quick trade out of that, which was nice. And so good start to the day thus far.
Good.
Yeah,
Good.
but so got a couple zones drawn up on the 5-minute and the hourly. So kind of definitely in a sideways market right now. On a bigger time frame, on the hourly time frame, you can definitely see the sideways market action. But I think we'll continue to go lower today a little bit here, and possibly. So we'll just kind of wait and see, but we'll react to what price gives us and price tells us. But we have these zones drawn up, and they're based on supply and demand, support and resistance of these zones are. Then we look for the price action and volume as price gets into those zones area, and to decide whether we're going to take the trade or not. So we draw these zones up ahead of time. We kind of look to react out of those as price gets there. Okay, so that's kind of what we do here each morning. and we try to make our points and be done for the day. So that's kind of the plan. So they've done well so far, and as you can see with the spreadsheet as we update it, they've both done very, very well. So, which is good. So anyway, that's it. Please introduce yourself. Let us know you're here. If you'd like, ask any kind of questions you might have, and then we'll try to answer those. And we'll kind of try to make some money together. All right.
Good.
Is it good, Soto?
That's good.
Okay. You sound like you just woke up, man.
No, maybe about 40 minutes ago.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I'm just watching the news and
Okay. Did you watch the presidential hearings again all day yesterday?
I did, yeah. The impeachment trial.
Yeah,
By the Senate.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, man. It's juicy, bro.
You like that, don't you? Don't you? Oh, man.
I promise you, I wish I didn't like it. I don't know why I like it. It's like so frustrating because I enjoy it.
Well, that's all right.
Yeah.
All right. Maybe you should have been a politician, man, in your days.
Nowadays.
You could still be a politician, though.
Yeah. I've been studying up a little Costa Rican politics.
Oh, have you? Oh.
Yeah, the president now is the one of the wealthiest guys in the country. He has a couple $1 billion.
Uh-huh.
So he's not from a humble beginnings like the rest of us.
There you go. Why don't you go over there and become president? And I can say, hey, I know a president. Costa Rica.
Costa Rica. Yeah. I don't know what I think about him. I don't know much about him, but anyways.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Hold on just 1 second. Yeah. You don't know what you think about it, huh?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, my third. Yeah, there's a lot of mixed feelings on him, so I don't know.
What's by you or by everybody? What do you mean?
Oh, by me, and I think a lot of people have mixed feelings. So.
Yeah, well, is it money is power there, and that's how you get into politics, or is it?
No, typically not.
Election and.
Typically not. Yeah, there's a full election, and typically it's the people's shoes, and I think this was the way it was with him. He's just I think he's a little more liberal than typically. So.
Okay.
Yeah. But Costa Rica is a great country, and they'll be okay. Let's see. Good morning, Darth Trader, aka Paul.
AKA
Big Money.
Yeah, Big Money Paul. That's it. I like it. How's everything going at the farm today, Paulie? Hope everything's well.
Yeah, so Paul has had a little bad luck the last couple of days with cars.
He's had some bad luck?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know why I'm laughing.
You're insensitive. That's why you don't have to. He's having issues with cars, and you're thinking it's funny.
It is funny because he's like, I don't know if he's okay with me telling you something. Yeah. It's not bad. It's just that every car he's taken, he's used has gone down.
Oh no. But he likes to rebuild all the cars, doesn't he? Or he likes to restore cars, doesn't he?
He does.
Especially Vets, right?
Yeah. I think he's more of a Vets kind of guy.
Going well now. All right, good. Good.
I like that. All right. Yeah, I like Paul. 710. Are you using that one?
710.
Yes.
You go all the way back. Oh, right here. Yeah, I've already got that. Yeah, I've already got it marked up. Yeah.
Okay, using that. Okay. So we should here.
Yeah. I got 710 marked up. I've got 635 marked up.
635.
Yeah. You could argue to do a little bit later than that. I mean, you could argue to do the
645.
645 candle, but I've, just what I do. I just kind of narrow it down a little bit as tight as I can get it.
Yeah.
Knowing that, hey, I'd probably take a trade right at the front there of that 635 because of that candle at 645. Does that make sense?
Yep.
So
Let me tell you what.
Run right on the top there.
Let me tell you why I like the 635 over the 645.
All right, so tell me why you like that.
Look at the 610. Check that out.
I see that.
Okay. So 610, it's a great. See that big push out of that area?
I do.
And then we get another great hesitation there. And you're right. I think you can easily choose 645, but like you said, let's crack it down a little smaller and overlap with the 610. That's why I would choose 635.
I like the explanation. Nice job.
There you go. Call me the Japanese translator for nothing.
Oh, no. I thought you were the Japanese ninja killer or something.
I am also that. I have a lot of names.
Yeah, you do. I've noticed that. That's hard to keep up with, man.
It is hard to keep up.
Oh,
You ever watch Parks and Rec?
No, I don't.
Okay, it's actually pretty funny and fairly clean, like super clean. So pretty good show to watch. But this guy, Chris Pratt, plays character in there. He has a band, and the band has like they change their name like every other day. He's like, it's weird. People don't can never keep up with us. Nobody knows what's your name. Every day is a different name. Anyways, that was a connection.
Oh, okay. I've heard you mention that a few times, Parks and Rec, and just haven't watched it.
Yeah, I think you really like it. It's really funny. Well, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Do you like The Office?
Yeah, I like The Office.
Okay, yeah, you like Parks and Rec.
Yeah.
It took me a little bit. I had to like force myself to watch like 3 or 4 episodes to get into it. But once you get into the characters, it's like it's hilarious. Yeah, it's funny.
Cool.
All right. Let's see here.
Yeah, price is just hanging out kind of sideways. So, like I said, took a nice little trade out of the rejection up there earlier, but got a couple points out of it. But ever since then, price is just getting slow. So we just have to kind of wait and see if in the next 10 minutes we can kind of get out of it before the 5-minute ban.
The market dropped yesterday, right? Over 400 points.
The Dow. Yeah.
I think yeah. Let's see. We do have some news today at 10 o'clock.
What do we got at news at 10?
News at 10, we have the code red, CB Consumer Confidence Report.
Oh, that's a big one, yeah.
That is a big one.
It's probably going to be, knowing that, because I hadn't looked at it yet, it's probably going to just be a slow go until that then. Because that's a big one, yeah. Consumer Confidence Report, that's a big one.
You're welcome for checking the news.
Good job, man. About time you start doing that.
I check the news like every morning. Just Good morning, gentlemen on LJ. Hey, good morning, LJ.
Good morning, LJ. Hope you're well. Yep. So yeah, if we got that at 10 o'clock this morning, it's going to be a slow sideways action until that report comes out, most likely. And I tried at the time I'll have to be gone for about 30 minutes.
Right.
I actually have to leave let's see.
You got to go in about 15 minutes.
Yeah, in about 15 minutes. I'm going to have to head out for about 15 minutes. And then, but we'll leave everything up and running here, obviously, and Soto and Mitchell can call the trades and all that good stuff, but I'll leave the charts up and going. But I'll be back in about 30 minutes. So, but um, have to get that done. So yeah, I'll be heading out about 15 right at the market open. But like I said, it's probably gonna be dead for that 30 minutes until 10 o'clock anyway. So that works out. So you guys just have to entertain as usual, talk.
I hope this thing moves like 50 points in those 30 minutes.
Oh,
God.
that's fine with me. If it does,
I
it
know.
won't bother me
I
either
just-
way.
I
You just like to
wanna-
contradict everything I say, man. What's up with
I
that?
do.
Why do you like
I don't
that?
know. I don't know. I really wish I did it. Because it makes me look
I
like
can
a jerk.
end
but
that
I'm
pretty
not.
quick, you know. I mean, I can cut that out very quickly.
Bro, man, I'll go over there and whoop you, bro. I did like 5 push-ups. I did 5 push-ups the other day.
Oh yeah, I better watch out now. You're on the push-up train.
Yeah.
Oh.
And it wasn't like by shorts, like I chose to push-up. It's I dropped something on the ground under the couch, and I had to go up there, and I kept like going up and down on it.
So,
Yeah.
okay. Like a little half burpee then, having to get up
Yeah.
and get down. There you go.
Yeah. I did actually. I really did some squats the other day.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah. And then I'm like super sore now.
Did you put like a trash bag on again or no?
No.
No trash bag this time?
No trash bag. No, that was just, competition I had to do that for.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that was good.
Never forget.
Yeah. So you might have it solo for a little while. Mitchell will be a few minutes late. He's got a meeting right at 8 o'clock, so and 9 o'clock Eastern.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, he's in the meeting right now.
yeah, so he might be a few minutes later than normal. So you might have to do it all by yourself for a little while.
Yeah. That's what I've done before.
There you go. There you go. Be confident. That's good.
Which I actually, yeah. I don't think I've done it before, but I can now.
Like you have, right?
We'll figure it out.
Yeah. I might just leave you out there and see how you do with it the whole time. I might just come back and listen secretly.
Okay, LJ has a question, BK. BK, did you change schedule? Is it temporary?
Yeah, I'll be changed. Yeah, the schedule will be changed. We put that on the chat yesterday. I don't know if you're still here or not, but the schedule is going to now go to. We'll do this live stream here for this method right here on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then off Thursday and Friday. Okay, that's going to be the new schedule for this live stream here. Okay, so we'll start that this week.
Yeah, and she's asking if it's temporary, so.
No, I don't. I plan that to be from here on out.
Yeah.
As long as we do this live stream channel, unless Soto and Mitchell want to take it over on those 2 days, then they can do that. But I'm gonna take those 2 days off from this method here.
Yeah, dude, I'll be playing golf for I don't know what take over.
All right, I like it.
Yeah. Take this over. From my golf cart.
All right, you can do that. Between swings, you can kind of commentate.
Switch. I'll never forget the President Bush. You know, I like President Bush.
Yeah.
President Bush, right after 9/11, unfortunately went to play golf, and the interviewer, the media was asking him, "So what do you think about this?" And he's like, he's about to swing, so he takes a pause. He's on the green. He's not on the green. He's on the tee to tee off, and he's like, "I call upon all nations to join us in this fight against terrorism. Now, watch this swing."
Yeah. Back up. Let me give me some.
Yeah. And you can tell it was the best swing because his face. They didn't show. I mean, not a bad swing, a bad hit because they didn't show the ball, but his face and it all.
That's funny.
Yeah. A little W. Let's see here.
W.
So I was thinking if Mitchell tries to join while the short time you're going to be gone, I can't add him
Right.
to the call. So he's going to I'll text him and have to wait.
Yeah.
Okay. I got it. Today's Steven's birthday, by the way.
Oh, is it? Oh, cool. Well, tell him I wish him a happy birthday.
Thanks, man. Thanks for actually caring.
I do care, man. I'm a caring guy.
I know.
I like good people, and Steven's
Yeah.
good people.
He is. He's a great person.
I've only met him one time, but he seems to be a pretty good guy.
Oh, you've only met him once. Yeah, you've only met him once, yeah. Dude, I'm like the worst. For some reason, I thought we've been out, had lunch, kicked it down, went camping. I am literally the worst at remembering who was in what. That's why I get in trouble. Like, oh, you don't remember that I was there? You know what? I don't remember that.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
I can definitely see that sort of.
Yeah. Those TV. I gotta send you this. You gotta watch this. It's a Hispanic celebration.
Okay.
How Hispanics celebrate, or how I celebrate birthday. I don't want to categorize the whole. Let me see if I can send it to you here. You watch it while you're gone.
Okay.
You gotta watch. It's only a few minutes, but you got it. It's probably this. I would never do this, to be honest. Because, I like to joke around, but, man, this takes us to the next level. Like, this hurts people here. All right. Yeah, check that out. Like, make sure you watch it all, though. Don't stop, like, halfway. You gotta watch it all.
Okay.
All right. I texted Steven happy birthday. He replied right away.
Cool. Make sure you tell him I said happy birthday.
Yeah. Oh yeah. BK.
How old is he now? 42?
You know what?
He's not even 40, is he?
No, dude, he's like 30.
Yeah, he's like young like you are. I forgot y'all just little babies, man. I forget.
What's up, bro? We'll be right here, bro. Let's go.
You a little baby, bro. Take your chocolate. I'll hit you with your own chocolate.
Yeah. Actually, I think, and this is funny, I think Steven is actually a year younger than I am. But for the longest, our whole relationship, we thought he was 2 years older.
That's funny.
So I would be like, yeah, he's the older one and I'm the younger one. And then like, I think it was recently we realized I was older. So I was like, oh, okay. And then, but little Doug, he's older. He's like 30. He's old. He's like 37.
Yeah, he's old, man.
Yeah. Like, and see, I thought Doug was like 28. He's lived a life. He's gone to 2 medical schools, so he's got around.
Yeah, Doug has.
Yeah.
He's kind of spread his time, huh?
Yeah,
and his money.
Yeah, he's been, guys. He's been in school probably the longest. Anybody. Little Dougie. He's so funny. Because I know you met him a few times, but you really haven't got to talk to him. See, when you first look at him, he's real quiet. You would think, man, this guy would never do anything like funny. He would never say anything funny. He doesn't look like a funny guy. Like, it puts a lot of stress on me because I feel like I have to do something, right?
I'm sure that's not very stressful. I think that's just you play into that. I'm not like that.
Dude, this guy is hilarious. Like, I lost it. I think I actually broke a glass that I was holding in my hand when he said a comment that I would never expect him to say. So he's like me, but like undercover.
Undercover.
Yeah, like he
Really funny
like
guy, huh?
yeah, he only says things like when he's among like his closest friends. Then like he's really his like true self comes out, and he's like the funniest guy you're ever gonna meet. And he say like things like you know how I mess with you, like, man, I hope this market is like 40, you know, like nothing like harmful, but it's, you know, just wants to like go against it. He would do that, but you never see it coming. Like, oh, like the video we sent you when we were meeting with you about him having explosives.
Yeah.
Like that. Like, what? You joke around like that? Yeah, man, cool. Well, okay, cool. You're a good guy. You're a good guy. Yeah, he's funny. He's really funny. I like it. Also, he likes to sleep in the closet.
Oh, God, all you guys are weird, man. Floors and closets and holy cow, man, couches. I can sleep on a couch every once in a while, but not all the time.
Do what?
So I can sleep on the couch every once in a while, but not all the time.
Yeah. Yeah, it's weird. I agree, because the bed is like pretty nice sized bed, but for some reason, you know, I like the couch. Dude, let me find out you're going to Jack's to get some breakfast. That's what you gotta do.
Yeah, I wish.
Guys, I gotta be right back. I have a really important meeting. Jack's. Classic. I have to check out Jack's.
No, I'm not really going that far. I probably will stop by Chick-fil-A though and grab me something on the way back.
My gosh, here we go. I knew it.
Hey man, gotta get a little breakfast on the way home.
Yeah, you gotta eat a little something, you know, little blessing.
That's it, a little blessing. All right, dude, I gotta go.
All right.
All right, man, you got it for the next 30 minutes or so. So,
yep. And you got the stuff. Yep, you got the song lined up, and I'll tell Mitch just wait for you to come back.
Yeah, just tell Mitch I'll be back. He can just have to listen in to you talk until I get back.
All right.
I'll be back. Thanks.
Bye, buddy. All right, guys. So BK will be gone for a few minutes here. In the meantime, we're about to get the open, so we're not going to take any trades at this time. If you look at BK's chart, his blue zones there, that you see two of them, those are his 5 minutes candles. And if you see the yellow, that's his hourly candles. So, and if you're not familiar or understand why we do that, so the institutional guys, right, they'll move the market based on the hourly candles. So when we go into an hourly supply zone or demand zone, we expect not just a rejection, but we expect a real strong push out of that area. And actually, this is a great example here. If you were to look at the chart that BK has on, if you look at his hourly, you see that the price went into that area to the very top and bounced off beautifully, and you see the strong rejection out of that area. And you see it going in again this morning. You see price going into that area and it's pushing out of that area. Now, we haven't had the strong push out yet, so it could be that it took, it jumped out of that area, but it can come back, test it again, it can break through it, and then bounce off to go long, or it can come back, get some more, and then go short again. And another thing to also remember when you're trading is to, before you start trading, is to check the news. And that's really easy to do. Just go to forexfactory.com. If you go there, that's FOREXFACTORY.com. That's Foxtrot, Oscar, Romeo, Echo, X-Ray, Foxtrot, Alpha, Charlie, Tango, Oscar, Romeo, Yankee.com. And if you go there, and if you go under the calendar, it will bring up the dates. And if you look for today's date, Tuesday, January 28th, you will see the times of the news, and we're interested in the one that says USD, United States. So you'll see Canada, Europe, and Japan and China and all those, Australia, all those. We're interested in the USD. And then, for example, today at 10 o'clock Eastern, 9 o'clock Central, we have some big news. And you'll see a little folder in different colors. And the ones we're interested in are the red. The red is the bigger news, the higher impact news. And so today we have the CB Consumer Confidence Report. So that's what we expect probably the market to be a little slow until today around 10 o'clock. So in about 30 minutes, I think we'll expect a big move. So when we do have a news day, a big news day like that, we typically don't want to trade, a few minutes and a few during that time. We want to let the market kind of settle down during that move. So just kind of keep that in mind. But just like the open, like right now, we're not going to trade right now. But once it settles down here in about 5 minutes, we can start trading if it comes into one of our supply or demand zones, or if it creates a new supply or demand zone, we can trade out of that. So another thing to keep in mind is when you are trading, for example, looking at BK's chart, he has three areas he can trade out of. Now, he already took a trade out this morning, out of the top there, and we weren't on the channel yet to see it, but he already had taken a trade. And I'm going to be right back. I got to take this call real quick, so we'll be right back. And this is again when you open, so that's all right. All right, guys. Sorry about that. I have to take a call. Yep. So, all right, we're done with the open, and so now you can see here the price went straight to one of the zones that we have marked up here. We're using the 710 candle there. That we're using that as a demand zone. And so, for those listening, if you can tell me what makes a zone, a demand zone compared to a supply zone, if anyone can answer that, just to not just to see how you understand it, but to to help out the channel. If you'd like to share in the chat and tell us what makes a zone a supply zone versus a demand zone, that would be cool if you guys would care to share. I understand you guys are busy, so I'm probably not able to type, but I'll give you guys here a few minutes to share with us if you care to on the chat. If you care to share what is different between a supply zone and a demand zone, that'd be awesome. All right, and so I got a trade here to go along at 53 here to go along, and let's see if we get picked up. Yep. So just got picked up here to go along. Let's see if it gives us enough bounce to get the point. And again, I'm trading out of based on the zone here at the 710 candle. So let's see here. It looks like it's bouncing a little too much. Let's see here. And it's not giving us enough push out of that area yet. All right. I might have to manage this trade. So it went up and it almost gave me the point, but it's probably going to take me out right here. Yep. Just took me out, so lost trade. Looks like I went in a little too late. I should have jumped in a little earlier. Where we could put that to show later on at the end of the channel here for our trade. So we've been a little losing streak, and when I say we, it's been me. I think so. Overall, we're doing really well. I think we're going to have to move back to if it happens. I've grown my accounts. I'm running 2 accounts, and I've grown both accounts. But for some reason, I've noticed that it may be either mentor or whatever, but we'll go on a winning streak and do really well, but I'll hit a speed bump and have 3, 4, 5 days of losing trades, and that's okay. As long as you continue to follow the rules, which we did. We had. Again, I think I got into that trade a little late. I should have been probably a little earlier, and it would have given me enough bounce to get the point. So, no big deal. So let's see. Paul says, answer the question. He says, a demand zone is based off support, and a supply zone is based off resistance. That's perfect. Yep, that's great. Yep. So what he's saying there is that the demand zone, the price, is above the zone and is coming down to bounce off to go long out of that area. So it's bouncing off like the support, which is the price is above it, and so the zone is below it, and then a supply zone is above the price, and the price is going to go up to bounce off to go short. So if you can remember supply S with S for short, supply short, you would do good. So great. Good job, Paul. That was awesome. Thank you for sharing with us. I think that's great. It's always good to see how you guys see things also, right? I know you guys can talk in here, but it's good to get sure you guys we're all on the same page and understand the terms. So, when we are talking and we're saying demand zone and supply zone, you understand why, even though it's real easy, once you know, just to understand the terminology there. So, thank you, Paul. All right. Let's see here. Folder. I had a missed call from Mitchell. So I don't know if he was trying to join in or not. But we'll have to wait for BK out of the way. So let's see here. All right, so I took my first trade of the day. I took it at 53 and I lost. And again, I think the reason probably was I waited a little too long to get into the trade. No big deal. We will have plenty of other opportunities here to take a trade. So, but that will go down on the channel as a loss, another loss for the day. And because we use my trades or Mitchell's trades, we did not use BK's because BK's first trade of the day was a win. All right. Paul, you're asking what about the 550 candle? So let me check that out real quick. All right. 550 candle. Let's see here. All right. 550. All right. Yeah. So that qualifies, right? So we got a hidden zone at 550. All right. So that's check one. We get so it's a hidden zone, so it doesn't need to break the previous swing high or low, which ends up it doesn't do that. If you look at the hesitation, that's where we're using the 610 candle. Now, if you look back, price came back. It did respect it twice before it broke through it. If you look at the 640 candle and the 645, it hit the bottom of the zone before it broke the zone. So you could definitely use that. So you would be flipping it, right? So originally we would have used it as a supply zone, and now we'll consider it using it as a demand zone. And you can for sure use that if you want to. But if you were to look down, and I don't think we can argue that that would be a bad trade, but to be conservative and look at maybe a better trade, I think BK, and we kind of talked briefly about it this morning, we will look at the 635 candle instead. And the reason being is if you look at the 645 candle, that would be a trade area, right? Which is pretty close to the one you're talking about, 550 candle. So it's just a little lower. But even then, if you were to look at the 635 candle, it overlaps with our 645, plus it overlaps fully with the candle at 610. So that could be a stronger push at that area, a better, stronger, in this case, demand zone. Okay. So I don't think there's anything wrong with the 550 candle. They can work out beautifully. So again, this is gonna. I think just based on the fact that BK and I talked about it this morning, I would say probably the better trade will come out of the one we expect the bigger rejection will probably be the one a little deeper there at 635. So let's talk about that for a second, though. So I took this trade, right? The one that I took this morning, I lost. All right. So the price bounced out of that area. It did bounce, right? But it didn't bounce. It hasn't taken off. It hasn't given us that V, correct? And so it's still there. Still it's hanging out right there right now. I lost just by one tick. Okay. So is it the timing? What was off? The timing was off, and my position was off. So had I jumped a little higher into the trade, it would have picked me up and given me that bounce that it originally did. So that could have been probably the better trade. But seeing it here that hasn't given us a rejection out of this area, either way, like a big push out of this area, makes me say, think that this area here wasn't the best. It wasn't as a good demand zone that we were expecting. Okay, so this was a little higher risk trade. Looking after, right? Because it didn't blow up, it didn't just push off this area. Now, a couple of things could have happened here, and probably the most likely is because we have that big news at 10 o'clock Eastern time. It's probably the market, and if you heard BK say this before he left, it's going to be a little slower this morning. So it's probably not going to act the typical way we would expect it to behave because they're kind of waiting for the news. So, was this a bad trade? It was not a bad trade in the sense of we follow the rules, we looked at the price action, it looked good, we were in a demand zone, volume was decreasing, so it wasn't a bad trade by the shekel following the rules, but if you look into when do we have the news, and do we expect a big move out of this area? And the answer would have been no, so we probably shouldn't have taken that trade. So I should have probably waited until after the news to take a trade. That probably would have been the wise decision. But that's after the fact, right? So it's okay. We took a trade. We lost. No big deal. We live to trade another day. So you just have to kind of, it's okay to look back at your trades, win the losses, and kind of say, okay, what did I do wrong, or if anything, or maybe just the market didn't do what we expected. So, like right now, you may be thinking about trading out of the 925 candle. All right, that's a hidden zone. We got a push out of that area, right? It breaks the previous swing low. But if you, and I'm not saying this is not a good trade, but we're going to be, I think, wise to wait after the news to see if there is a big move. There may not be a big move, but if there is a big move, we don't want to be caught up in that, in that news break. Because even if it's good news or bad news, the market could go flash to go up or down. So it really becomes a little more unpredictable, right? And so we try to do what's a little more predictable, right? So that's when we don't trade out the news. So thank you, Paul, for saying good explanation. And again, not saying that that's not a good zone, but rather, is it the best zone? And I think that's what we're trying to see. And again, we can be wrong. We've been wrong plenty of times. But we're just going based on stats, right? Probability is that the other zone will probably be better. So that's all it's doing here. Right. If you look at current price action, right, we're a little sideways again. We really are. We've been in sideways overall, and in the big picture of things. If you go to the 60 minutes candle, we're in a sideways market. If you switch real quick to your 60-minute chart, and if you're using NinjaTrader, you go to the top left, where you will see the first little drop down after where it says chart. You'll see like ES03-20. To the right of that, you'll see the time frames. And if you pick the 60-minute, real quick, you don't have to be a pro to see that we've been in a sideways market. All right? So that's probably another thing to point out to. We've been in a sideways market this week. And the question is, should have, we need to get out of that sideways market. It becomes a little more unpredictable. Now, within a sideways market, the hourly chart, in the 5-minute candles, you have, you can have a bear market or a bull market, but in the big picture, I think we're still in sideways market. So, real higher risk trades when that's going on until we can break out of that area, right? Until we see a strong push out of that area. All right. Speaking of push out of that area, we're at the 5-minute candle. Back to the 5 minutes, what you see on your screen. And now we're seeing price take off from that area that we traded. All right. So it hesitated a little bit. We were off by, I'll tell you exactly how, I was off by 2 ticks. Sorry, I lost by 2 ticks. So, and it looks like it's trying to take off. Okay, so kind of providing that V shape. And if it does that, that's what we want. That confirms that we had this. This was a good zone. It just took a little longer to push out of this area, and I think that's because of the news. So let's see what happens with the news this morning here in about 8 minutes or so. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear those. If I don't know the answer, which a lot of times I don't, the good thing is BK will be back in a few minutes and he'll be able to answer pretty much all of the questions you may have. He is very gifted in that. So just let us know if you do. All right. So we're waiting for the news to break here at 9 o'clock Central, 10 o'clock Eastern, and see if we get any kind of strong pushes out of this area here. I think we got the Super Bowl this Sunday, so we're not sure. I can Google that. I know Costa Rica's playing the U.S. On the 1st in California. My brother's going to that. So if you're a big soccer fan, want to check out a good game down in Cali, Costa Rica and the U.S. Men's clubs are playing, so should be pretty good. All right, so we got price going into that area. Again, I'm not going to trade out of this area. The 925 candle, but it looks like it bumped right there, went about a tick in or so, and it gave a good rejection here. Let's see if it would have been enough to get a point if you were been in the trade here. If you were to go in at 25, 50 at 25, yeah, you would just got your point here. If you were to front run that or something, so it's good to respect that a little bit. But again, this is too close to the news time, so don't want to be caught up in that. Plus, but that, you know, other than that, I think it would have been a potentially good trade here. But we'll just wait until the news breaks and kind of see what the market wants to do at that time. Paul, have you taken any trades this morning? Or LJ, have you taken any trades this morning? If you guys care to, just let me know. I'm going to open up Discord. I haven't opened up Discord yet. Discord. Here. And I'll put the trade that I took here in lost. Unfortunately, because I didn't get to take too many screenshots. I only took one screenshot after the fact, so you will see where my entry was, where my exit was. I like to usually take the screenshot of the process while it's either winning or losing. I think that kind of helps out a lot of people, especially the beginner. People who are really beginning, like some of my friends are. So good, Paul. No trades. I like that. That's good. That that talks a little more about your ability to control yourself. So that's good. Discipline. So sometimes I get. I think BK. This happens to BK too. I think he gets more excited when we don't take trades, even compared to when we win. I think he'd rather us go a whole day without trading to master your ability to control yourself and show discipline. So that's really cool. So, all right. So let's see if it gives us a good bounce out of this area again here at the 925. Again, we're real close to the news time here, so I'm not going to trade. But so far, it's gone in a tick into that area and bounced off, real nice bounce. So let's see if it does it again. So, but again, we're in a sideways market still, so probably would be considered still probably a little high risk trade. But just kind of watch and see how it goes. Yeah, I'm posting on Discord the trade for this morning here. Forget to write a comment. All right. I posted my trade on Discord here. You can see where I took the trade and where I lost the trade. All right, so let's see here. All right, so this candle also had a good rejection out of that area there at 9:25. We're 2 minutes away from the news time, so let's see if we can get anything strong. And sometimes on the news, I think there's sometimes a delay, market reaction to the news. And sometimes you see the market react a few minutes before the news is announced. So it's kind of tricky if there was any leaks or anything. So, but we'll just wait until either BK returns or we get a good time away from that news time. So, right, so we had a good bounce off the 925, and also we had a good bounce off again of our zone here at the 710 candle, right? So we're kind of bouncing between two areas, which again, once it's been triggered the first time, we rather not use it after really up to the second time. You can probably use it the second time, but not dealing enough to use it again. So it hasn't gone deep into this area here at 925. But it did go there at the bottom, so if you were going to take a trade out of that area, you need to go a lot deeper into that area for a trade there. But also keep in mind there's probably some small little zones right above that, so keep that in mind here. All right, yep, just broke that. Just broke that little area we had. It's bouncing off there at the 850 candle there. We just literally just said there's little zones up there you gotta watch out for. So let's see here, the move is 10 o'clock, so let's see if the market is reacting to the news, and yep, here they are. Here's the big move, or a move rather. Let's see how big it is, reacting to the news. So, and again, this is why we don't trade during the news time, because they just blew up past a few zones here. So it seems that they're respecting the 8 o'clock zone, but that zone has been used up quite a bit, so we couldn't trade out of that area even if we wanted to. It's been hit up a few times already. So it looks like they wanted to go back over there and get some money they left over. So we're just going to wait until it settles down a little bit. And look for another trade, once they get done with their move. If we get a strong push out of this area, strong close out of this area, which they may not do, I don't know, we could consider to trade out of the area to go long using the 925 candle. But we'll just have to wait and see how it goes. So far, good rejection, good wick. Not as strong as moves as we expect, but we'll see. Let it come down a little bit. But if you were able to see, they went to that zone there at 8 o'clock. We don't have it marked up, but that's where they went to exactly. And if you look, they went to the very top of that zone. We've already had a double top there. Now we got a triple top in that area, right? But we could have taken the trade even if it wasn't news hour, just because it's already been hit up 3 times. If you look at the wick there at 9:35, they hit that zone up. The 8:35 candle hit it up, and using the 7:55 candle. So good for sure. A lot of good resistance in that area. Alright. We got this camera here. We'll close in about 2 more minutes. Let's see what kind of close it gives us. Let me look for a new zone a little higher above that in case he wants to break that triple touch there. So BK should be here pretty soon. You gotta go by the local Chick-fil-A. I would say I got to spend some time with BK over the holidays, and I did enjoy his family. They're funny, they're pretty laid back, and they do a really good job of cooking. They know how to do that southern cooking. I do enjoy. I did not grow up in a house where we did southern cooking. We grew up in the South, just not with southern cooking. So I do enjoy the southern cooking. It's really something else. So I have an hourly zone really up there. I don't think price is going to get up there, but I have an hourly zone going starting at 33.30 and a quarter to 35.75. So we'll see if I don't think price is going to get all the way up there, but we'll see what happens here. So again, this candle came right to that zone there. We did not take a trade. And you guys may be thinking, well, what about the 10 o'clock candle? And even though it would qualify, it's just a little higher risk trade because we didn't get a strong push or close out of this area, right? So we would need price to go move out of that area, before he came back into that area to go long. So let's see what happens here. And we just have to kind of be patient and not be, not try to force any trades in. So let's see if this breaks or does another triple top or four tops there to that area. Actually, it'll be a double top. Triple top. There we go. Good little push there. See if they'll break that. I'll bounce off. And if you're thinking about a trade there, again, just know it's a higher risk trade, right? It's been used up quite a bit. I'm not saying that it won't work. It's just saying that it's a higher risk trade and probably not the best trade to take. And it's not following our rules and our method. So even if they show rejection of that area. So it looks like they went a little deeper, about one tick deeper than the rejecting of that area. And so we're just still being patient. We really need to work on getting sponsored by Chick-fil-A. That way we can get free Chick-fil-A every morning. Probably a good idea. Alright. This would be great if this price here can break and just take off north here. That'd be really good for us. But let's see what happens. So Paul, you say you haven't taken any trades. LJ, have you taken any trades this morning? I don't know if you guys hear that. It sounds like someone's breathing into the microphone. It's not me. I don't think BK has like any dogs. The dog is next to his microphone. Anyways, guys, so right now we're waiting. Again, price is bouncing off that and breaking that resistance up here, but again, we can't take a trade at this time. But what we can do is look for a new zone here that we have at 10 o'clock. So that could be a great zone here. We've got a strong push, right? So let's see how this candle closes, right? Let's get sure it gives us a good close up north, and now we can turn back and trade out of this area. So now we could trade out of the 925 candle, right? We could trade out of the 10 o'clock candle. So that's going to be up to you what you feel comfortable with, and kind of what price is showing or price action is giving you. So that's kind of up to you guys, right? We all take our own trades. You're responsible for your own trades, and you take responsibility for your trades, all that good stuff. So, but right now I'm gonna on my chart I'm gonna highlight the 10-10 candle, and I'm also gonna highlight the 925 candle. And what I'm gonna do, I like to do that. If I can do it here, let me do that. I'm gonna do it. Alright, there we go. Alright. And that gives me a good idea to see where to trade out of this area here. So, depending on price action coming in, and again, remember the little hidden zone there at 850, it gives us a little respect, but it didn't really do much. Price bounced off pretty good there at 925, right? So, that being said, as of right now, I'll be looking for a trade to go long around 58.5. So I'm going to put a little blue line there to kind of give you the hint if price action. I'm not going to put a trade in. I'm going to put, I use a little blue line just to, as a reminder of where I would like to go. And based on price action coming in, I will determine whether to go in that spot or not. Whether to go a little deeper, and that'll be based on price and the close of this candle, right? So we got a little move here, right? We expected that because of the news. So I hope we can close out of this area, which we just did here in the 5-minute candles. And so now we can look for a trade if everything else lines up. So you may be asking, what about a trade to go long using the 755 candle? So even though that's been used up quite a bit, now it could be a time where you can flip that if you feel comfortable, or if you play a little safe, you can go a little deeper. You can use the 850 candle, you can use the 925 candle, or the 10 o'clock candle. So it's going to be based on your preference, your risk preference, where you are, how you feel. So based on that, so. It may not even come back to us right now. Maybe this might take off here to go north, so that'll be fine. So, ladies and gentlemen, BK.
Nice job, Soto. I guess I just caught the tail end of that, but good job.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we got positive consumer confidence, huh? It's a big positive. Okay. Well, good.
Yeah.
Good. Any trades this morning?
Yeah, did you eat Chick-fil-A?
I did.
Well, I got good news and I got bad news.
Okay. What's the good and the bad? Go ahead and tell me.
The good is that you ate Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
The bad is that I took a trade and I lost.
Oh, you're killing me, man.
I know, man. I told you, bro. But by the way, yeah, little Mitch ready.
Go ahead and bring in Mitchell. Well, I just
Sorry about that.
Good morning, buddy.
What's up? So no worries, man.
Do you know who called me, Soda?
Yeah, you called me. I was returning your call.
Oh, I think I butt dialed you.
Classic. Okay.
Well, where'd you get in the trade at? Sort of where's the trade that you got in at?
Yeah. It was at the so looking at your chart, it was when it went into the zone that we had there at I already deleted it. Yeah, the 710 candle.
Yeah.
I got in a little too late. That was the problem. If I would have gone a little earlier up, I would have been fine. But I was a little too conservative, and I got in at 53 1/4 to go long. and it went up and it touched. It almost gave me the point, but it didn't. I was off one tick, and didn't give me the point. It came back down and took me out. Lost by 2 ticks, and then eventually took off.
Okay.
But
Cool. No
totally my fault, but no worries.
Did you lose again, bro?
I did lose again.
That
Yeah.
means we go down to 2 contracts now.
We got 10 contracts. My job. My job
You
is
fully lost all privileges.
You lost all trading privileges.
Yeah. I brought up
Just he's been better just to wait on me.
I brought up the team, okay? I can take it up, I can take it down, all
There
right?
you go. There you go.
That's true. I've seen it at Pullman here lately.
That's probably a good trade, yeah. I just didn't just kind of push through it. No biggie.
LJ said, not yet. You are sad about news, and you said it is best to wait. Oh, you said about the news, and you said it is best to wait, so I'm waiting. Perfect, cool, yeah. So,
Yep, good.
yeah, that's correct, LJ. That's, we had the news there, so we were waiting and we're patient. We did get a good little bounce there at 755 candle, but we couldn't take it because it was already been, used up pretty good. But now we could potentially flip that, has an opportunity to go long. If one. All right. By the way, I'll be right back. I have to go get my water. I've been dying up here.
It's a long walk for you, I know.
No, I couldn't leave the channel unattended. Well, I guess I could when I took that call, but
I feel like you could be on the channel anywhere in your house.
I can't. Well, I got a headset, so that's why I have to stop. Okay, I'll be right back. Yeah, okay, I'll be right back. High quality HDO. All right, let's see here. All right. Oh, gonna push it out. You guys heard about Apple stopped production in China, and I think was it Nike also?
I don't know.
There we go.
It's kind of odd how the tariffs started falling off and everyone was like, oh, thanks, Trump, for all you do. And now all of a sudden China has coronavirus.
Mitchell, how much money will you consider? If we're to say, okay, we'll give you X amount to go to the heart of China where things are going on, for how much will you do it? What is the number here? Is there a number one?
To do what? I mean, just to sit there for a day, or to be there?
Yeah.
There's always a number, so there's always a number.
There's always a number. Okay, good. I like that.
I don't know. I don't know. I'd have to. I would have to be able to be sick for a full year, so it would take a year's worth of pay.
You gotta go to the ground zero, go to the market, eat at some local restaurant, and stay with the family for a week. that has been showing symptoms.
No, I'm not doing that.
Wait, what happened to the price?
It would be extremely. I would have to look and see what my chances are of dying. I mean, I'm not trying to die, but I feel like I'm pretty healthy, and yeah, I mean, it would be stout probably.
Okay. Just wait. We'll just wait until I'm back on my feet. We'll start having situations like that pretty soon. You have to sleep in the market for one day. Apparently, this is transferring before you're showing any kind of symptoms, unfortunately.
Yeah, it's like you have no idea until you pretty much are like fully sick.
Right. That is the worst. Yeah. That's not good.
What are the symptoms of it?
Unfortunately, they also look very much like the flu symptoms.
Mm.
So you have to, like, I think they have to do a blood test to confirm.
And what people don't realize too is China isn't like America, where I mean, there's so many people over there, and the social classes are so different that, you know, if you're not in the upper echelon where you have like insurance or you can afford medical treatment, they don't have to treat you. So there is a lot of deaths that are occurring, but it's not like in America where we can go to the hospital no matter where we are as far as money goes, and they have to treat us. They'll keep us from dying. Well, over there, it's not the same. You know what I mean? So yeah, there's a lot of death, but you don't know how old these people are, or they're probably not getting any kind of treatment. I think it's just really, really high fevers, fatigue, and you know, the flu would kill a lot of people if they didn't get treated.
Yeah.
I think the issue with this is just how rampant it is right now.
Right. It's just spreading way too fast. Too easy to get to it. Yep. I had a honeymoon plan to go to China now. The worst. Alright, so what's going on here? Do you have any phones up there, PK? Let's see.
You can hear that. I mean, there's a zone you could call, you know, but I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'm just gonna be. If I trade here, it's just gonna be with this move up. I'm not gonna trade against it. So I'm gonna have to wait for price to come back in into my area up here around 60. Yep. 63 is a good area, but I like 61 3/4 the best.
Okay.
You know, 62/4.
Yeah, there.
That 755 candle, but I like it a little deeper. And I'd look to trade long out of that.
Yeah, they're bouncing off a current area here from 2035 from January 26. So what I could, if it goes up, I could probably flip that zone to trade to go long. That's probably what I do. I think you're right. Do not go against it right now.
Yeah, let's just wait and get with this move up, not against it.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, I decided that we get sponsored by Chick-fil-A.
Oh, yeah, you pulled out. Get that done for us, man.
Oh, yeah, I was expecting you. I feel like you have like...
Man, what's the deal, dude? You have all these ideas, but you want me to do everything. Why is that?
You have the connections. You know people.
Yeah. You know people.
My neighbor is a Longhorn. That wants to probably kill me.
And?
It's like 20 little Longhorns out there. So... If we ever need to get sponsored by Longhorns, I probably can make that happen. That's about it.
Mm-hmm. You need to tap into some of your old lifestyle and make all the connections there.
Yeah.
You got all the connections there all over the world, man. You need to tap into those.
Start calling people.
Yeah.
Hey, What you been up to? Not much. Not much. You know, just hanging out. Literally hanging out. It's always that awkward. Oh, it was just always an awkward call. Oh man, so you're a wrestling student? Not quite. Oh, you're a fellow? I'm a fellow. Just flat explanation.
That's funny.
I gotta give you a recipe for this protein shake I drink. Oh, it's so good. Oh my gosh, it's really good.
Is it really?
Yeah, like so good. Why do you think I drink it? Do you think I drink it because it's healthy for me? Or because it's really good?
Because I know you. Yeah, you'll do that. Whether it tastes good or not, you'll drink it. You're one of those guys.
What? No, I only drink it if it's good. I'm not gonna eat something I don't like.
Yeah, you will. You don't like. You used to not like oatmeal and peanut butter, and you drink. You force that down.
I did. Well, I had to adjust. That is true. But that doesn't count.
So what's in your shake then? Tell me what it is.
Oh, man. I'm glad you asked. So it's this thing called organic Orgain protein. All right. It was designed by a physician who got cancer, and he could never find anything that was all truly organic and good for you and all that good stuff. And so price is bouncing or into that zone, but they're going to break through it. So I'll be looking to trade long here if they get a good break out of that area, by the way. All right. So that, and then I use black chai tea seed, black chai seed.
Black chai.
Yeah, chai, like chai seeds.
Yeah.
So those tablespoons of water, and then they become like a gel. And so I mix that with that in the protein shake, and I use Fairlife milk, 2% with it's really good. And just shake that up pretty good, and you're in business, bro.
You're in business. There should be some rejection right here. Rejection, but I can't pick this right though. Should reject nice, so. Huh. That doesn't sound too bad. I was expecting a lot more in it.
Yeah, well, sometimes in life, you gotta keep it simple, bro. Yeah. But the black chai seeds, that gel substance makes it really good, almost like a smoothie, rather. And they're really good for you. They're very high in fiber, very, very, very good. It's a superfood, actually. I don't know if you're familiar with those, but
I'm familiar with superfood.
Yeah. But it's really good. So.
Huh. You have to send it to me then. Send me the recipe and I'll give it a shot.
I will. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm telling you. Oh, and you like milk with like chocolate. You like chocolate milk?
I do.
You gotta get the chocolate flavor. So protein, the organic protein. Organic. Yeah. I like vanilla.
See, every protein shake I've ever had, I always like the vanilla or the chocolate. So
yeah,
I like vanilla protein shakes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll take a picture, send you that stuff.
Okay.
I'm good, so you don't have to do
it. Dude, your wife is a registered dietitian.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure she already knows about this stuff.
I've never seen her make that concoction.
Oh, dude, you just surprise her one day. You feel like in the kitchen making it. Be like, oh, you making these little black chai seeds here with a little organic protein shake, with Fairlife milk. Just because I want to live forever.
I saw fire in my wife's eyes the other day. Scarlett's been having migraines. And her mother called and was like, well, Madeline, it could be the MSG in your food. And was not the right thing to say. She was like, Mom, there is not an MSG in our house.
I'm so sorry. BK, you know what the worst thing that could probably happen to us is for you and I that enjoy the pleasures of life like food, is to marry a dietitian.
Oh yeah, that wouldn't have gone well.
That would not go well with you, buddy. No,
No,
sir.
it wouldn't. I need it, but I'm not. That's a whole different story. But
I know. You have to do what I did with Candace. Like, yes,
I'd become my dad for sure. I'd be going out.
Dude,
I'm gonna pick that stuff up at the grocery store and then stop off McDonald's or Burger King's and all kind of stuff, picking up sandwiches before I go.
It took me a long time to figure out what I can and can't say. Like, I would get food at like dinner, and she'd be like, "You do know you're getting like 5 servings of rice, don't you?" And I'd be like, "Well, I didn't eat lunch." That's the worst thing you can do is not eat. I'm like, man.
Yes.
Now I'm like,
I feel for you, buddy.
It should keep you healthy and keep you a long life, hopefully.
Dude.
She knows now because I'll be like, no, don't eat that piece of chicken. Yours is over here. I've seasoned that one.
I'm probably the only guy in history that never wanted his girlfriend to stay the night. No, honey, no, that's it's probably not best for you to stay. Because if she stays the next day, I have to eat the worst breakfast in the world.
I tell you, one time she stayed the night. The next morning, she was like, I gotta go, I just brushed my teeth, I'm doing this, and I was like, whoa, you just brushed your teeth? She was like, well, yeah, I used your toothbrush. I was like,
oh my God.
Wow.
Never again be over here, and now I gotta go buy a new toothbrush.
Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Just use my toothbrush.
You gotta give me a heads up on that, bro. You can't just throw that out there like that.
That's something that's not you gotta be before that happens, and I'm not sure it's ever gonna be cool.
Yeah, I don't think that's ever cool.
No. I've been married 20 years, man. We've never done that.
I didn't reuse it. I mean, she was. I just thought she was filthy, and we never did it. Let's put it that way.
You gotta burn it.
That's true. And she was like, "Are you serious?" I was like, "Yeah, I'm very serious."
Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Yeah. Next time, give me a little heads up on that, bro. That was. Oh my gosh.
You okay, so though, man? My goodness.
Yeah. I just, man, you gotta understand, bro. Like, no, man.
This is a man that was scared of plastic. You know, reuse of toothbrushes is freaking him out.
Like, I can't even imagine that happening to anyone. Sorry.
I just can't imagine. You can't imagine how nonchalant she was about it. Like, it wasn't a big deal. Like, she uses other people's toothbrushes all the time.
Oh.
I felt so violated.
Oh. I got a train here to go long.
Where at?
A 67.75.
67.75.
Alright, that's based on the candle that I told you about a few minutes ago.
Yeah, 1020 candle now creates a zone as well.
Correct.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
No, I think it'd be fine. I'd just rather wait for it to get to a little bit more support. I think it's one of those trades that can go either way. I mean,
Yeah.
if I was going to get it, I'd probably do it at 67 even, just because of VPOCs are there. But I would probably still wait a little deeper for me. But I definitely think it's going to bounce there. Just how much, I don't know. It could take off from there, I don't know.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Go for it, man.
Well, I'm at 67 flat now. So.
Yeah, well, I think if I was going to take it, that's where I would be, probably 67 flat.
Actually, I'm at 66 and a quarter.
I was waiting for you to do it.
Yeah, I think 66 and a quarter looks a lot better.
Yeah, well, I think 66 is a really good spot, too.
Oh, son of a gun. Yeah, I'm just remembering the trade at this time. I literally just took the trade out.
Good, I think that's a good call.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
BK, you're the man, bro. You're a great guy. I like it.
Yeah. It's only because it's through the phone. I can't reach out and wring your neck. You know that.
Yeah. Well, I'm not gonna say that. But. So I'm gonna tell a story to Mitchell. Mitchell, we're at church, okay, playing football, like at a church with kids, and my priority when we are at church and playing football with young people is to include everyone in the game, not to pretend I'm back in the NFL and try to relive my dreams and run people over and stiff arm them and throw them down, especially after my potential surgery that I would have had on my shoulder that wasn't fully functioning. So, anyways, Big K went out there, or rather, this person went out there. And man, you would think we were trying out for the NFL, bro. But holding, taking me down. I think he would call me some names. I'm not gonna say that for sure, but yeah, he's trying to have a good time, but.
We don't play for participation around here. You play to win, man.
Yeah,
we won. That's all that matters. We won. That's all you need to say. That's all I need you to say. You lost. I won. That's all you got to say.
We would have won if you would have tackled the 7-year-old kid.
Whatever.
Trying to triple coverage, little 7-year-old kid. We're trying to throw the ball to you. No, we had
whatever.
You gave me the winger team, all right?
Oh, is that it?
Well, you had like former 3-4 athletes from the NFL, and
really?
I'm like,
who is? Tell me who those people are. Since I didn't know they were on my team apparently. So you must be seeing these guys.
Names,
yeah, you had all the young teenagers that could run against 2 old guys and a couple 9-year-old kids. So let's go ahead and put it out there.
Let's be honest. They could run. What? I was a little surprised. They were getting a little too tired. Like, I could be tired, but why are you tired? Yeah, man, I haven't run this long in a long time. Like, what? It was I had a blast. I love that. I really did.
Yeah, it was fun.
Oh man. It's really sad that our friend Alvarado, who is like, well, he's actually your age, would have just killed us out there.
Oh, yeah, he cleaned house on everybody.
Yeah, that's just really sad for us, but it's alright.
Yeah.
I was just getting back from my knee surgery and hip surgery.
Oh, well, was that?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
Yeah, well, I like to make a big deal of it.
You have to make a big deal out of everything. What are you talking about?
A burn? That was fun.
It was.
And we had homemade ice cream that was not mint. It was so good.
Not mint. That's right. Not mint. No mint ice cream for me, man.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm a nightmare.
I have a friend of mine said it. He acts like you, always talking smack. I have to tell a story. It reminds me of me. So another buddy of ours got lost on our hunting land, like our company leases hunting land around here. It's 300 or 400 acres. He was lost on it the other night, so he texted us and he was like, "Hey guys, I don't know where I'm at. Can y'all help me try to find my way to the road?" So really seriously, a friend of mine was like, "Yeah, no problem, man." He's texting in the group thread, "I'll help you. Where do you think you are?" And the guy's like, he's panicking, so he's texting back, and he said, "Okay, you need to find a possum. Follow it, and you will be in the road in no time." And I was like, that's not what the guy needs to hear. He's not panicking. Find a possum and follow it. You'll be in the road in no time.
Just make sure you check out the road before you cross it. That's funny. That's good. I like that. Oh man, that's good.
You finally made it out 2 in the morning.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I never. What?
He was just walking in circles. He didn't realize what it was.
Yeah. Didn't that happen to your dad too?
Oh yeah, on 7 acres.
Yeah. Oh, 7 acres. Oh my.
Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm gonna have to give him a hard time about that.
Yeah.
It was me and Dad. I was a kid, or Dad and myself, and I was a kid, and we bought this house, our house, and it had 7 acres behind it. So of course he's like, let's go, I want to walk the property. I'm like, all right, whatever. So we walk off back there, and then I can tell he's getting he's walking faster and faster, like he's getting a little panicked. He stops. He's like, now where was the sun when we walked in? It was in the sky, and it no longer is anymore. So I can't tell you. He's like, well, we need to figure out where it was, and then we reverse it, and we'll walk out. I'm like, all right. He's like Christopher Columbus all of a sudden. And anyway, we kept crossing creeks, and I'm like, Dad, there's one creek. He's like, it's impossible. We've crossed 7. I was like, yes, because we were walking in a circle.
Oh,
So that's pretty impressive to have 7 creeks on 7 acres, Lord.
Yeah, it was the same creek. We just crossed it 7 times.
Oh
That's
gosh.
awesome.
But I think we went in probably about noon, and we came out about 7 p.m.
No way.
Yeah, no joke. It was hours.
Okay, are you sure it was 7 acres? Because I've been on 7 acres. The dog has 7 acres. And I just don't see, I can't understand that.
It was 7 acres of straight hardwoods, though. There was no field. It was nothing but woods. Very, very dense woods. And the trees, because it was so compact, the trees are really packed in there tight. So there's no sunlight really got down in there. I mean, it was a huge 7 acres, but nevertheless, I mean, I just said walk straight. And I mean, we were in the city, right? So eventually we've got to come out on the road. Like he kept turning and turning and turning, and like we're walking. You've made 3 left turns. We're walking in a circle.
I think your dad actually told me that story, but he never said 7 acres.
I'll tell you this much: Dad never went back in there. It was like the Blair Witch Project. He thought it was cursed or something.
Oh my God, that's so funny.
Did he tell you the time that it flooded? Like, so our yard flooded, right? And we had, where we were, we couldn't have natural gas, so we had propane tanks.
Oh yeah, you had to tie down the propane tank, right?
Dad, he's like, he puts on his duck waders, and he's like, I'm going to go back there, son. We'll get that propane tank. Well, he's like 5 foot even. Well, he doesn't take like 3 steps in the backyard, and he just goes outside. Oh no! He's gone. And the wires are now full of water. He can swim, but they're like holding him down, so I have to run down there. I have to grab that, and there's current because I mean the river is now flooded, and it's pushing the current through our yard. And I like quit fighting me. We're like out there like nearly in a fist fight. I'm like, stop fighting me, and we pushed him up against a tree, and then I was able to get him out of his waders, and he's still worried about this propane tank. And I'm like, we just abandoned the idea of the propane tank, but no, we swam out there across the yard and tied the propane tank with a chain to the tree because it was floating across the yard. I mean, it was a mess. But yeah, he did. He took like 3 steps to the backyard and boom, he's outside. Oh no.
Oh, that's so cool. That's so funny.
That is awesome. Yes.
We were always getting him stuff like that.
Yeah. Your dad, he did tell me about the propane story. I don't remember it all, but you probably told it a lot better and probably accurate.
Yeah.
The funny thing, he made fun of me for my stories. I didn't know all the stories, so now I have to get it back.
He also got, so one night the dogs were barking like really bad in the backyard, so he goes down there going to go figure out what it was. Well, it was a rabid raccoon. And the reason we think it was rabid or know it was rabid because, I mean, it's trying to like fight our 3 bulldogs in the backyard, and a raccoon's not going to do that.
Wait,
So
rabid fight?
Yeah, like foaming at the mouth, like old yard stuff, you know. And he grabs a shovel because he's going to go down there and be Billy Bad A and kill this raccoon with a shovel. And he hits this thing over the head with a shovel, and it turns and charges him. And I have never seen my dad high step across the yard like that. He's just screaming bloody murder, like, get the gun, get the gun. And I'm thinking, why did you not start with that? Like, who's going to go kill something with a shovel? It's not a snake, Dad. But yeah, I was always. If you ever heard him yell in the backyard, you had to go out there real quick because he was in something.
That's funny. Oh gosh.
Great. He's sick right now. He's got the flu.
Oh, I think he told me that. Yeah.
He didn't call me yesterday. Sent me a text, or my sister sent me a text and said didn't call me today. He was going back into bed. If my dad's ever in bed past 5 a.m., then he's sick.
Yeah, there's something wrong. Now, what part of China is he at? We need to let him know it's not the flu. It's like, no, you don't have the flu, so you're good there. But,
you got the corona.
You got the little corona? That's, I'm sorry, he has the flu. Yeah, I think he briefly told me, but he was trying to make it like not a big deal. But yeah, I think we're going to do the flu.
I know he told you so. Did he tell you, BK, about him putting our boat through the lake house?
I don't remember that. I don't if he did. I don't remember that story. No.
So he had this little.
You told me that.
Oh yeah, Dad didn't take it. So he had this little old Chris Craft wooden mahogany boat. It was like his pride and joy. You know, he restored it from a pile of lumber. And it was parked in our driveway at the lake, and it's all my fault. He's reminded me of this the time, because I was out on the boat and I did not help him hook up his boat. So he goes to pull it to his truck, and it starts rolling downhill. Where it was parked, you couldn't get the truck. You had to pull it by hand out of the little. Well, it starts rolling down the hill, and it's heading straight for my buddy's like brand new truck. Well, Dad's going to save the day, so he jumps in front of it and pushes the trailer out of the way. Except for where he pushed it is now aimed straight at our lake house. And when we got back, no joke, his entire boat was in the bedroom.
Oh, you're kidding. Oh, my God.
It went through the wall, busted the windows out, and the back of the boat was sitting, like, touching the bed. It was in the lake house. He has a strawberry, like, straight road rash from his armpit to his ankle, where this thing has dragged him down the driveway. And he's just fighting mad. I mean, just so mad. And it's all my fault. I mean, just, you were out there playing. I called you. You didn't answer. I don't even know why I bother. I'm like, Dad, you're the one that did this.
Yeah. So
that's a farmer's commercial for sure.
Yeah. No,
your dad gives me a hard time. Your dad's giving me a hard time about my accident. And yet he's over here burning down lake houses.
Yeah, no, that's a pretty good one there. That's the one to give him a time
about. I mean, you can't make that up. I mean, he was so upset.
That's awesome.
He's very accident prone. I mean, I knew something was up. Like at the age of 14, when Mom would be like, "Your dad's got the chainsaw, son. Go out there and get it from him." Like, you know, he'll hurt himself.
What?
Like when your brother tells a 14-year-old to go take the chainsaw away from your dad.
From your dad, yeah, that's that'll tell you something.
He's gonna cut his leg off. Yeah, I know.
He's gonna cut his leg off. Oh, that's funny.
He just does everything in a hurry. He's so like nervous. I mean, he's so like spastic. And the best is when you get him and my granddad around each other, because my granddad just constantly will be like, "Now don't panic. Now don't panic." And my dad's just always ripping something apart.
That's funny. Yeah. We're gonna have to talk to the guy.
I'll have to tell him stories that he's probably made himself sound like a very conservative, level-headed individual.
Yes, he has, actually.
Yeah. And he made me feel bad about my story. So yeah, we're going to definitely have a talk.
Yes, selective memory for sure.
He does. I got a trade here to go along at 3272.
3272. All right.
Oh, that's funny.
But his brothers are the same way. They're all like that. My little cousin shot his first deer, so everyone's so excited. his brother's a really big guy. He's like 6'5", 6'6", you know, stout. So it was on this hill. So his brother ties like a rope around it was a little doe, not even a big deer, right? Ties a rope around his waist, ties a rope to the doe. He's going to drag her up the hill. Well, she figured out that she wasn't fully dead, and she got her second wind, and she wakes up and heads down the hill. And my uncle is now like a ballerina because it has pinched his waist like fully in, and she is dragging him. And we're all watching this. Like, there's 5 of us standing there, and he's just flying down the hill, rolling, all kinds of stuff, and he's yelling, which makes no sense now that I think about it. He's yelling, "Shoot her, shoot her." We're like, "We can't. We'll shoot you." Needless to say, he cut the rope. Long story short, he found his knife. He cut the rope. We never saw the deer again. So, my cousin just scared her, and she fell over, and then... But yeah, there's tons of stories like that. We were always getting hurt in trouble. That's why I said that we have rolled Jeeps before. That would be with Dad. I told him the story of Steven.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. He was like, "Well, we've been there before, son, many times." Yeah, we have.
Yeah, he's never told me that. See, we're going to have an issue at the top. Oh, that's funny.
It's a wonder that we're not hurt.
So am I.
I can still remember what he would say, because we would always go like play in the mud and stuff with our Jeeps and stuff. When it would go to roll, he'd be like, "Keep your hands in." Obviously, yeah. I'm like 6 and I already know the brace procedure. So you're thinking of shortening at 72?
It's going long.
Yeah, long at 72. My bad.
Yeah, I just moved it down. Price is increasing, so I'm actually gonna wait for the next candle here.
I'd look to get in long around 70. Maybe 70 and a half, maybe.
78 and a half.
So that's weird. I'm like 68 and a half.
Okay. Yeah, right now I'm at 7 and a half.
Well, you said you were at 72.
Yeah, that was a while ago. The volume increased. Remember I just said I moved it down?
I did remember that, but why'd you go to 72 and a half or 70 and a half since I was going at 70 and a half?
Well, you just said 7 and a half, and I got to move it down more.
Okay, I was going to say, move it down a little bit.
Yeah, you know what? 69.75 looks really good.
Okay.
I'm still at 68 and a half.
Are you at 68 and a half?
Yeah, I'm
on MES. Let me look at the MES here.
I'm going to feed that 1020 candle.
Yeah, I haven't traded on the MES yet.
I'm going to front run the 1020 if I do it. Because I just don't think the 1040 is very strong. Like if you were going to short it, I mean, if you're going to long, like
6 to 175 is the way to go.
Mm-hmm.
What? 6170? Yeah, 6175 is the original spot that we're talking about.
Okay, yeah, that's the hourly candle. That's a good. That's a good spot right there.
We only got about 9
So I had my first like realization that our little method works like no matter what you trade. I mean, obviously I know that it works like here, but so I have some Shopify stock.
Yeah.
And anyway, the other day it was starting to like it had made its high and was starting to go down. So I literally looked at the chart and found the area of like support. And I was like, if it gets there, I'm selling. Well, what do you know? Got there, sold. It had touched it like 4 times, broke through, plummeted down, and I bought like way lower than that. Now it's back up to where it was at the high. And I was like, what do you know? That worked. I may have just fully lucked out. I don't know, but it worked.
It'll work on anything.
It wasn't supply and demand. It was support and resistance. Yeah. Because I didn't have access to the candles. It was just looking at the, whatever you call that, where the line. So you should have stayed in there. 73, like you said.
Yeah, volume was increasing, right?
I'm just picking on you.
Oh, okay. Thanks. It's the Super Bowl this Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
I really kind of wish I could go. Costa Rica's playing the U.S. and California. It's on the first this Saturday.
And what, cricket?
And the old football game with soccer. My brother's going.
You don't say.
Yeah. Without his wife and child too, I'm sure, right?
He's he's going with one of his.
Does he enjoy being married?
He does.
He's got to work on a little bit. He's going to find himself alone.
Yeah, that's what your dad said. Yeah, they used to live, kind of do their own thing. So.
I mean, I did too. That's called like taking a few hours on Saturday.
Yeah, exactly. That's a round of golf or something. But then you're back to.
Yeah, I don't abandon them for days on end.
But he's going there with Chris, one of our buddies, Chris, who he's not the best looking guy, but he married like a model from Brazil. In Brazil, he was in Brazil. He met this girl, and then they started like dating long distance, and then they got married. And now she lives here in the U.S. So he pulled that off. So and they're still together, and that's really good. So it's not like that was surprising. We're happy for him. Because it was really sketchy at first. I was like, I don't think this could work out, but it worked, it's good. It worked out. He's the guy that, big guy, I think I told you about. He got the Airbnb up in Georgia, in Atlanta, the worst. Yeah. He saw a black person for the first time in Atlanta airport. He was born in New Hampshire.
New Hampshire.
I have nothing for New Hampshire. I like Vermont.
Oh, I like Vermont, yeah.
A buddy of mine that works with us, he had to go to Vermont for work, and I was like, bring me back some syrup. He was like, why would I bring you back syrup? I said, well, you're going to Vermont. He's like, are they known for syrup or something? I was like, that's like where the nation's maple trees are, man. You need to get out more. Like, how did you not know that Vermont was known for syrup? Now, Soto, don't tell me you didn't know that.
You didn't know that either.
I don't think I knew that, but I don't eat a lot of syrup. I don't eat what do you call that, pancakes?
It's not necessarily that I eat a lot of syrup, but it's cool to have like Vermont fresh maple syrup. I mean,
yeah.
It's not something I can guzzle. I still have it.
I don't remember last time I ate syrup with penguin.
Why do you act like it's such a struggle to say that?
I know, he's kind of like stop for a second and kind of sound it out to himself before he says it.
Common word, man.
He does have English is his second language. He does have a language barrier he's got to work with.
Like your throat locks up. You're pronouncing it just fine, but it's like syrup.
Did you watch? And I'm not promoting this at all, but have you watched Family Guy?
I've seen some episodes of Family Guy.
Okay. You know how Stewie, he can, there's certain words he can never pronounce correctly?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, that's where that's from.
Well, you're pronouncing it just fine. Have faith in yourself.
Yeah,
don't lock up before you try to say it.
Go ahead and say it again.
You got like syrup?
Oh man, he's gonna have a complex about that now from here on out.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so funny.
That's great.
All right, man. Well, we got to shut this thing down. So let me pull up Soto's first, yeah, his first trade of the day here.
Back down to killing our percentage.
Yeah, we're back down to all right, guys. So if you can see on my chart here, you see Soto's first trade here. Is the blue was his entry and the yellow is his loss. So you can see he took the 1 point stop there. Okay. So let's go ahead and update the spreadsheet for everybody. All right, here we go. So with 3 contracts, 0, 1 loss. All right, so that puts us down to $2,886. All right, so we've taken 4 losses in a row. Not a big deal. It's all right. Get back on track. We'll keep it real, and this is what it looks like. So we'll be back down to 2 contracts tomorrow. We'll work our way back up into the 3 contracts.
Well, no one can say that we're not being truthful.
Well, yeah, I mean, that's what you got to be realistic and about how it works. So yeah, so this is it. I mean, that's what we're here to do, to show the reality of it. So that's all right. Not a big deal, right? It was a good trade location and everything, good reasoning. Price just didn't want to cooperate today and go a little bit deeper, and you can't control that. So that's just part of the trading. All right. So all right, guys. Well, I appreciate it, and so everybody, Darth, LJ, good job today. We'll see y'all tomorrow, and we'll do it again. All right.
All right, guys.
All right, guys. See you tomorrow.
See you.
You've been listening and watching the Titan Futures 1 Point a Day Challenge. Live stream. Remember, we're live daily, 9 to 11, and BK, Soto, and Mitchell are here to help. The Titan Futures 1 Day Point a Day Challenge, where anyone can learn how to day trade the futures market. Till next